trying jumbo braids, but I'm doing them knotless without the crochet needle. I think I'm getting the hang of it. They don't look that great, but I feel like with practice, they'll get better. This is my first time doing them without the crochet needle. So this is the hair I'm using, and I'm just going to split this piece in two. Then I'm going to gel down my part and start braiding. I just want to show y'all my parts. They're not even or anything. I have 4 left, and I have a total of 14 braids. So I have 10 done so far. Well, no. Yeah, I do. I have 10 done so far. So I'm on the last ones in the front. So I'm going to take some gel. I washed my hair on Friday. It's currently Saturday, so not Saturday, it's Sunday. I don't think these will last that long since my parts are so big, and my hair, y'all, is like frizzing in the braids, so I might have to put some mousse on my hair. I think they'll also look better too if I blow dry my hair first. So I'm gonna try to explain this, but then again, who am I kidding? Okay. So you're gonna begin your braid. Then you're gonna take those 2 pieces and you're gonna line pieces up. And you're done. That's your knotless braid. As y'all can see, my hair is like, well, the other ones it's frizzing. With the other ones, I'll show y'all an old braid. I really don't care what the ones in the back look like because nobody really gonna see them unless they super close to me. I don't know how to tuck my hair into like the braid hair yet, so I need to learn how to do that, and I feel like my braids would be cleaner. I like this hair a lot though. It hasn't tangled up on me yet, so this is some good hair. Some real good hair. I'm gonna stop braiding here. So I'm gonna show you one more time for my visual learners. Let me show y'all this ugly braid back here. Y'all see like the frizzy parts compared to this one in the front? It looks better. Okay, so this is for my visual learners. I'm splitting the hair in 2. So I'm gonna start braiding my hair. Eventually, maybe. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, so we're starting braiding, and we're going to take one of those pieces and we're going to slip it in there, and we're going to make sure one part of the hair is it's just going to even up to our hair. I don't know how to explain this good. See, I already messed up. So without thinking about it too much, you're just going to take a piece of hair, and I think I'm finna do it. Yeah, you're going to take a piece of hair and just line it up, literally. Line it up to your hair, to the split parts of your hair, and just start braiding. And that's it, really. That's really it. I was watching a video and it just hit me that that's what people were doing, because like people will try to describe it like, yeah, you put a piece of hair between your finger and your thumb, and then no, don't do that. Just line it up to those two pieces of hair that are split, start braiding, and then braid some more, and then line it back up with another part of the hair that doesn't have the actual braiding hair. I feel like I'm not making sense right now, and you're probably confused. So I'm going to link a video that I watched when I had my epiphany, because I feel like I just slaughtered this. So yeah, and I don't really want to do it again because I'm just going to make it worse. Y'all know who I am when I rumble. So here I'm just curling my ends, so just wrapping them around a little curl thing so that I can dip them in water and hot water curl them. So that's really it. I'm sorry that I slaughtered the explanation, but hey, I tried. Just mute me, okay? Just watch what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, so before I dip my ends, I'm gonna loose my hair down because you can still see my hair peeing out, some of them, especially in the back. When I got towards the front, I got better, so that's good. This one is crooked, kind of, but this one isn't. So I think with practice, I'll be okay. Just gotta keep practicing. So, loose my hair down. I don't know if this is gonna help, but I can't never not try. Okay, so now I'm gonna go dip my ends, 30 seconds each, and then I will come back. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look at the ends. The hair did curl. This is my hair after the mousse. I like it. I feel like I did pretty good for my first time doing knotless braids without the crochet needle. I do need some more practice for sure, but I mean, I achieved kind of what I was going for. As far as the hair I use, this is Easy Braiding Hair from Leeven hair store on Amazon. It's Leevn, and they did send this hair to me. I got the color 1B/900, so it's this burgundy color, and the hair is 24 inches long, so it'll probably come down to your waist. Did I say the price already? It's $16.98 for 8 packs of hair. I only used 3 packs of hair, and I had some hair left over in that 3rd pack, so 14 braids. This hair did not tangle on me at all, and I'm not just saying that because it was sent to me. Like, for real, it did not tangle at all. Again, if you're used to buying the cheap packs of hair from the beauty supply store, like the $1.99 hair, then I feel like you'll like this hair. So I don't have any complaints about it. It doesn't itch. I did not pre-soak it this time. Y'all didn't give me this time with the ACV soak, but yeah, I really do like this hair, and it's super soft, so I would recommend it. And I am definitely ordering it again this summer because they have this blonde ombre color that I want to try. So you will definitely see this brand on my channel again. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next week. Peace.